If your space feels tight, cluttered, or just not working the way you want, this is where things change. Today we're diving into some seriously smart furniture finds built specifically for tiny homes and small apartments, where every piece needs to do more than one job. Think hidden storage, space-saving designs, and multifunction setups that actually make your home feel bigger, cleaner, and easier to live in. These aren't just nice to have, these are real upgrades you'll use every single day. And if anything catches your eye, all the links are right there in the description. Let's kick things off with something that instantly upgrades your space and feels seriously high-end. This motorized TV lift cabinet hides your TV completely when not in use, then smoothly raises it up with the press of a button. It's perfect for small apartments where you want a clean, clutter-free look without sacrificing entertainment. You also get built-in storage for media devices, books, or accessories, making it both stylish and practical. It keeps everything organized while saving space. Most setups like this usually fall somewhere in the $220 to $500 range. Up next, here's a smart bed upgrade that does way more than just support your mattress. This bed frame comes with built-in charging ports, soft LED lighting for a modern look, and storage shelves to keep essentials within reach. It helps reduce the need for extra furniture in smaller rooms while keeping everything organized and accessible. The sturdy metal slats also eliminate the need for a box spring. It's a clean, functional upgrade designed for everyday comfort and convenience. Most options for this setup usually land around the $150 to $320 range. Moving on, this over-couch swivel table is one of those upgrades you don't realize you need until you start using it every day. It slides right over your sofa and gives you a stable surface for working, eating, or using your laptop comfortably. The adjustable swing arm lets you position it exactly where you want, making it perfect for compact spaces. It's ideal for apartments where a full desk isn't practical. Simple, flexible, and highly functional. Most of these typically fall in the $45 to $110 range. Next, here's a coffee table that does a lot more than just sit in your living room. This round lift-top design opens up to reveal hidden storage inside, perfect for keeping remotes, books, or everyday clutter out of sight. The lift-top feature also turns it into a convenient surface for working or eating when needed. It helps maximize space without adding extra furniture, making it perfect for smaller homes. Clean design, smart storage, and everyday functionality combined. You'll usually find these somewhere in the $90 to $170 range. After that, this folding storage ottoman is one of the easiest ways to add both seating and hidden storage without taking up extra space. You can use it as a footrest, extra seat, or even a small table while storing blankets, clothes, or daily items inside. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, which is perfect for tight apartments. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly versatile for everyday use. Most options like this typically range between $25 to $55. Right after, here's a smart entryway upgrade. This shoe storage bench combines comfortable seating with hidden compartments, letting you sit while putting on shoes and keep everything neatly stored. The flip drawer design saves space while still holding multiple pairs, making it ideal for smaller homes. It reduces clutter while adding a clean and organized look to your entryway, a simple upgrade that improves daily routine. These usually fall around the $70 to $140 range. Now, this one is a clever way to hide clutter. This tilt-out laundry hamper cabinet keeps your laundry completely out of sight while blending in like regular furniture. It's perfect for bathrooms or bedrooms where you want a cleaner, more polished look. The built-in baskets make sorting easier, and the top surface gives you extra usable space. It's both practical and visually clean. Most options typically range from $120 to $230. Then, if closet space is always an issue, this expandable garment rack is a real game changer. It features multiple hanging rods and adjustable width, allowing you to customize it based on your space and storage needs. Perfect for apartments without built-in closets or for adding extra storage without bulky furniture. The strong metal frame keeps it stable while still being easy to assemble. It's a practical solution for maximizing vertical space efficiently. Most setups usually fall in the $60 to $130 range. Also, here's a small but super useful upgrade. This couch arm tray instantly turns your sofa arm into a stable surface for drinks, snacks, remotes, or even your phone. It folds neatly over the armrest and stays in place without slipping, making it ideal for small spaces where side tables aren't practical. It's simple, minimal, and very effective for daily use. A small upgrade that adds real convenience. Most of these usually land between $15 to $30 range. If you're finding something useful so far, all the links are right there in the description. Feel free to check them out as you go. Now here's a flexible seating solution that works in almost any space. These stackable Bentwood stools are lightweight, easy to move, and can be stacked neatly when not in use to save space. They're perfect for guests, quick seating, or even casual everyday use without adding clutter. The clean design blends easily with different decor styles while keeping things minimal, practical, compact, and easy to store when needed. Most options typically fall in the $50 to $110 range. Next, this coat rack is one of the simplest ways to keep your entryway clean without adding bulky furniture. It comes with multiple hooks, giving you space for coats, bags, hats, and everyday essentials all in one place. The vertical design helps save floor space while still offering plenty of storage. It's perfect for small apartments where clutter builds up quickly near the door. Strong, stable, and easy to assemble, it's a practical daily use upgrade. Most options typically fall in the $30 to $80 range. After that, this bathroom organizer helps you take full control of cluttered spaces instantly. The two-tier design with pull-out drawers makes it easy to access items without digging through everything. It's perfect for under sinks, countertops, or cabinets where space is limited but storage is needed. The clear design keeps everything visible and organized at the same time. It's simple, efficient, and makes daily routines smoother, a small upgrade that delivers real impact. Most options usually fall between the $20 to $50 range. Moving on, this under-sink organizer is designed to maximize one of the most underused spaces in your home. The sliding basket design lets you pull items out easily instead of reaching into tight corners. It works great for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials while keeping everything neat and accessible. The compact structure fits around pipes without wasting space. It's a smart solution for both kitchens and bathrooms. Practical, efficient, and easy to install. Most options typically range from $25 to $60. Next, these acrylic shelf dividers are a simple way to instantly organize messy shelves without adding extra furniture. They help separate stacks of clothes, towels, or kitchen items so everything stays in place and easy to find. The adjustable design makes them flexible for different shelf sizes, while the clear material keeps your space looking clean and minimal. It's a small addition that creates a big difference in organization. Perfect for closets, cabinets, or pantry setups. Most options usually fall between $15 to $40. Up next, this large lighted vanity mirror adds both functionality and a premium feel to your setup. It features adjustable brightness and touch controls, allowing you to get perfect lighting for makeup, grooming, or daily routines. The 360-degree rotation makes it easy to position at any angle, while the clean design fits well on most countertops. It's a great upgrade for bedrooms or bathrooms where proper lighting matters. Simple, modern, and highly practical. Most options typically fall in the $40 to $120 range. Then, this vanity stool combines comfort, style, and hidden storage in one compact piece. The padded seat makes it comfortable for daily use, while the interior space lets you store small items like accessories, makeup, or essentials. It works perfectly in bedrooms, closets, or vanity setups where space is limited. The design adds a soft, modern touch without taking up much room. Functional, compact, and visually appealing at the same time. Most options usually range between $40 to $100. Also, this lockable watch and jewelry storage box is perfect for keeping your accessories organized and protected. The multi-layer design allows you to store watches, jewelry, and small valuables in separate sections, preventing scratches and clutter. The clear top makes it easy to view everything without opening it, while the lock adds extra security. It's a clean and practical way to organize your collection. Compact, organized, and secure for everyday use. Most options typically fall between the $30 to $90 range. Next, this zero-gravity reclining chair gives you a comfortable place to relax without needing bulky furniture. The adjustable reclining design helps reduce pressure on your back while providing a smooth lounging experience. It's foldable, making it easy to store or move when not in use. Perfect for balconies, patios, or even small indoor spaces when needed. It's a simple way to add comfort without taking up permanent space. Most options usually range between $70 to $180. Finally, last but not least, this clip-on bedside shelf is a smart solution for tight spaces where a full nightstand isn't practical. It attaches directly to your bed frame and gives you a stable surface for your phone, books, or small essentials. The built-in cable catch helps keep charging wires organized and within reach. It's perfect for dorms, small apartments, or minimalist setups. Compact, functional, and easy to install without tools. Most options typically fall in the $15 to $35 range. And that's a wrap on some of the smartest furniture upgrades for tiny homes and small apartments. If something stood out, you'll find all the links right there in the description. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around, because we've got a lot more smart finds coming your way.